Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and configure TLS, SSL on AlmaLinux 9. First, run the following command to set up your fully qualified domain name, FQDN, of your AlmaLinux machine. Next, open the hosts file using the following command. Insert the following configuration and be sure to change the IP address, FQDN, and hostname. Save the file and exit the editor when finished. Then, run the following command to verify the FQDN of your system and ensure that it's pointed to the proper local IP address. If Apache is not already installed, follow these steps to install it. Install Apache. Start and enable Apache. Verify Apache is running. Then, add firewall rules. Continue to configure HTTPD. Replace the server name with your own environment. Next, create an HTML test page and access it from any client computer with a web browser to confirm Apache is serving content. Now, install mod SSL for Apache. This package provides SSL, TLS functionality and creates a default SSL configuration file. Then, verify the installation. Apache automatically configures it to listen on port 443, HTTPS. Next, install the EPEL repository, required for certbot. Continue to install certbot and the Apache plugin. Then, run certbot to obtain and install the certificate. Continue to verify certificate files. Now, test the Apache configuration syntax. If you do not intend to use the default SSL virtual host, open the following configuration file. Locate the following lines and comment them out. Rename, or remove, the file to prevent it from being loaded. If the output reports syntax OK, restart Apache to apply changes. Next, perform a dry run test of the renewal process. Certificates are valid for 90 days. Automatic renewal occurs approximately 30 days before expiration. If certificates are obtained separately, place them in a secure directory and configure Apache manually. After editing, test and restart.